There is new significant change for UK migrants who will travel to Europe. Now they will face a little bit more complications during entry of Schengen countries. So this is biggest news because in current conditions some people wanted to shift from UK to European countries, and current economic recession and security situation in United Kingdom compelling some UK people, British passport holders, to travel to European countries and they want to settle there. But unfortunately now European countries changed the rules, might be because traveling from UK becoming more in numbers in these days especially. And also second objective of European means Schengen countries to stop illegal migration. So currently situation becoming very tight for all illegal migrants. And British passport holders, especially children, women, will also suffer in traveling from United Kingdom to European countries. I will analyze the situation later on. First of all, I will tell you what is the news. When you will go to the airport of Europe, mean for example, you want entry in France. Earlier, you was having just stamp on your passport and you was entering. Now, currently, you need to keep your travel plan, the reason why you are going to European country or destination, your biometrics, your fingers, 3 4 times your fingers will be taken, one full file will be made, will be saved in computer, and your all record will be set for the future verifications. So this will delay flight also, because when travelers will move from UK to any European country, for say France, Italy, definitely on the border, in the airport or on the border, these files, these checkings will start very soon, and this will delay the flight. Women's children may also suffer because the to wait long would suffer. Women children are the individuals who suffer more. So I will say that this is just because of current illegal migrants issue becoming very superior in all European world. EU clearly wrote letter to all European countries. Now this is obligation to stop illegal migrants. Even United Kingdom also stopping illegal migrants, and UK after USA becoming second country who is suffering more illegals through the France. So another reason which I can investigate, that UK people now wishing to move to Europe. If you will interview any UK national who is living long time, if he is new UK national, he will not say these things, but old UK national will say that conditions were very superior for businesses some years back, and we were having very good life in UK. Now currently he will tell that now this is the time I am suffering. Financially I am suffering. Facilities wise I am suffering, because when I want appointment in a health system NHS, they will give me 3 months, 4 months date, and when I will pay taxes, the taxes are more, and even Starmer is claiming that taxes will more increase in the coming budget. And these are situation compelling UK old national business people to move from United Kingdom to European countries. That is one of the main reason. Europe also making little bit barrier for all, including UK passport holders, and they will not stop. They will be able to enter without visa because rules will be same, but they will be checked. Their file will be made, and definitely when you will go again and again, they will ask that your previous stance was to visit Europe, and now you are going again. Now why you are going again and again to Italy? Why you are going? There will be questions when you will go again to same country due to different reason. And definitely when you are going to open business, you have to tell that I want to open business, I am shifting. So reasons now you need to provide at airports of the Europe. However, this is not a major news for British passport holders. Still, they can go. There is no any problem. Just time will be consumed, and they must be little a bit cautious in giving information at airport, and don't speak lie. If you are going to visit, just tell them you are going to visit, and if you are going to open business, You must tell you are going to open business. Kindly don't tell anything at airport which is wrong, because when you will give wrong information and then you will go again, and if you will be trapped. For example, you went with the visit objective, and you told at the airport that I am going to visit the country. After that you entered Europe and you started business, and you will be asked later on when you will move again from UK to Europe, or you will travel. Exit entry system is launched, which I am telling you. When you will left country, they will have your reason in computer. When you will enter country, they will have reason in the computer, and 100% your all data will be saved. And if you will change the stance again and again, of course if you have genuine reason, you must tell that earlier I came for visit, now this visit is for my business. Definitely they want genuine people to work in Europe as well. So therefore I think Europe is becoming reluctant for illegals, not for illegals only, for legals also. Earlier UK people were very happy to move to Europe, and they are very happy to move to Europe for picnic, for tourism, for even work. But now these checks and balances mean entry exit system will reduce little a bit number of UK people to move from UK to Europe to work on the basis of the work. Tourism will never stop. Tourism still continue. People who want to visit Europe, they can go very easily. But if you are going to shift business, you have to justify reason that why you are leaving UK and why you was folding up your business from UK. I think these news were headlines in the YouTube channels and TikTok that business people are leaving UK. I think Europe people, Europe management, Europe immigration system tally that news now. Therefore, I think that they are naming illegals. They are telling we are not against UK passport holders. They are very precious. They are national of the developed country, and they are always welcome. But I think in hidden way there is something that they knew that Starmer announced to increase the taxes, and some insecure situation in the last days riots were going on, and some current statement of anti-migrant leaders in the social media, in the top media channel, and far right repeated word being used in the media. Some Muslims, some business people, some Christians, some Hindus, some Africans, some black people, they are not satisfied security situation of United Kingdom, and they want to move from UK to other countries, and that's why they want to fold up their business from UK. That's why they are making little a bit check and balance. Thank you.